Good afternoon, students. Hi. Yes, I am also fine. Yesterday we have seen the linear equation in two variables. Then general form of linear equation in two variables. Then how to solve linear equation in two variables. That means simultaneous equation. We have seen some how to solve the methods of solving simultaneous equation. Now here we are going to see the practice set 1.1. There is one activity. Such an activity is in also your board question paper and school question paper also in question number 2A and 3A. See here how we can solve the given activity. Complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equations. Here given equations are 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. Equation number 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Equation number 2. Let's add equation 1 and 2. 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. These equations are as it is. Now here, by adding these two equations, here plus 3y and minus 3y gets cancelled. That means 5x plus 2x, 7x. Complete the activity means fill the empty boxes. 9 plus 12, that is 21. Now here x is equal to box upon box is equal to empty box. Here 21 as it is. Then this 7, coefficient of x is 7, goes on that side, it becomes divide. Means 21 upon 7. Each box having half marks. 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are 21. That means this empty box contains 3. Now here place x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Now here equation first is 5 into empty box. Here is in equation 1 here is x. Value of x is 3 plus 3y is equal to 9 as it is. Now here 3y as it is equal to 9 as it is. Now here minus empty box means 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. Take here 15. 3y is equal to 9 minus 15. Subtract smaller number from bigger number and sign of bigger number is minus 6. Now here y is equal to box upon box. Here minus 6 as it is, 3 as it is, minus 3 by minus 6 by 3. Here 3 2s are 6 means minus 2. This is the answer of x. This is the answer of y. Now here our solution set is xy is equal to in bracket and in box x is 3 and y is minus 2. Here this activity is completed here. Now here, any doubt from anyone? No. Very good. Now we are going to see the next example from same practice set. Exam number 1 and 3 were also solved yesterday for sample examples at the time of methods for solving simultaneous equations. Here example number 4 from this practice set 1.1, that is 5m minus 3n is equal to 19 and m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. 5m minus 3n is equal to 19 and m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. Now we have to solve this equation. Solution. Again write 5m minus 3n is equal to 19, equation number 1. Then second one is m minus 6n is equal to minus 7, equation number 2. Here we have to solve this equation by equating coefficients. Here coefficient of m is 5 and m is 1, means if we multiply second equation by 5, Then 5 into n, that is 5n, minus 5 6r, 30n, is equal to 5 7s are minus 35. This is equation number 3. Now write equation first as it is. 5m minus 3n is equal to 19, equation 1. Here these coefficients are same, but signs are positive. If we add these two equations, no any variable is removed from this equation. Now, if the coefficients are same and signs are same, then subtract these two equations. Means subtract equation 1 from equation 3. Subtract equation 1 from equation 3. Now we have to change the sign of second equation. Minus become plus, plus become minus, here also plus become minus. This is the rule of subtraction. Here plus 5m minus 5m gets cancelled. Minus 30 plus 3n. You know there are opposite signs. Subtract smaller number from bigger number is 27, and sign of bigger number is minus 27n is equal to same sign, addition, same sign will be there. 9 plus 5, 14, carry 1, and 3 plus 2 is 5, means minus 54 is the addition of minus 35 and minus 19. Then minus 27 is equal to minus 54. That means if we divide both side or multiply both side by minus 1, then we get minus minus become plus, means 27n is equal to 54. Minus into minus become plus, minus into minus become plus. Now here if we take 27 on that side, it becomes divide. That means n is equal to 54 upon 27. 27 ones are 27, 27 twos are 54. That means n is equal to 2. This is the value of n. Then for finding m, put n is equal to 2 in any one equation from this given 4 equations. If put n is equal to 2 in equation 1.
5 मिनिटात संपवायला लागतं.
Equation 1 is as it is. 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. Here except n we can write 2, means 5m minus 3 into 2 is equal to 19. 5m minus 6 is equal to 19. 5m is equal to 19. Take minus 6 on that side, it becomes plus 6, and therefore 5m is equal to 19 plus 6 is 25. And then if 5 goes on that side, it becomes divide. Therefore m is equal to 25 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, means m is equal to 5. This is the answer of m. That means the solution set is xy is equal to in bracket 5 2 is the required answer. Now, any problem in this example? No, very easy example by equating coefficients. Then we are going to solve next one. Very easy examples in practice set 1.1. Now here 6th example from same practice set. 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3 then 2x plus 1 by 4 into y is equal to 11 by 4. Again say example, 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3 and 2x plus 1 by 4 y is equal to 11 upon 4. See, these two equations are not a standard form or general form of simultaneous equation. Means first we have to convert given equation in standard form. Means we have to remove this 3 and this 4. Means multiply both side by 3. Multiply both side by 3. We get 3 into 1 by 3 x plus 3 into y is equal to 3 into 10 upon 3. 3 gets cancelled. X plus 3y is equal to, again 3 gets cancelled, is equal to 10. This is equation number 1. Here again multiply both side by 4. Means we can write here 4 into 2x plus 4 into 1 by 4 is equal to 4 into 11 by 4. 4 2s are 8x. 4 gets cancelled. Plus y is equal to 4 again gets cancelled, is equal to 11. This is equation number 2. And then these equations are in standard form or general form of simultaneous equation. Now by equating coefficient we can solve these two equations. Here the coefficient of y is 3 and here the coefficient of y is 1. Means if we multiply equation 2 by 3, then we can solve easily. Multiply both sides by 3. Means 3 into 8. 8 3s are 24x plus 3y is equal to 11 3s are 33. Equation number 3. Then write equation 1 as it is here. X plus 3y is equal to 10. This is equation number 1. Here the coefficient of y is same, but signs are same, and we know if signs are same, then subtract equation 1 from 3. In short, subtraction. What we can write here? Subtract equation 1 from equation 3. This is your sentence. Now change the sign. Minus, minus and minus. 24 minus 1, that is 23x, minus 3y plus 3y gets cancelled. Then 33 minus 10, 23, and therefore x is equal to 23 upon 23 is equal to 1. That is x is equal to 1 is answer of x. Now here x is equal to 1. Put in equation first. Which is equation first? This one is equation first. X plus 3y is equal to 10. X is equal to 1. Replace x by 1. 1 plus 3y is equal to 10. 3y is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. That means y is equal to 9 upon 3. 3 3s are 9. Y is equal to 3. This is answer of x and this is answer of y. And now required solution is equal to xy is equal to 1 3. This is the solution set of given equation. And now we are going to see the next method of solving simultaneous equation. Before this, any doubt in this example? Very easy examples. All examples are very easy. Try to solve at home. Now we are going to see the next method how to solve the simultaneous equation, and that is graphical method. Yesterday and now we see the by equating coefficients and addition and multiplication if cross coefficients are same. But now here this is second method, that is graphical method. This method is also known to you in last year. If two equations are given, x plus y is equal to 4 and 2x minus y is equal to 2. If these two simultaneous equations are given and we have to solve these two equations by graphical method, that means first we have to prepare the chart, prepare the coordinate of this equation and coordinates of this equation. If plot this point on graph paper, both equations, find the coordinates, find the plot point and find the point. If we plot these points on graph paper, then there are two lines, this equation having one straight line and this equation having one straight line. The intersection of these two lines, the point of corner of intersection of these two lines is the solution set of this simultaneous equation. That means here first we have to find the coordinates of this equation, means x plus y is equal to 4. We have to prepare one chart for coordinate of this equation. Minimum 4 coordinates we have to find here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is x, this is y and this is x, y. Now here take any value of x, put this value in this equation and find the value of y. If we take here 1, minus 1, 2 and 0, any value of x we can take here. That means here x plus y is equal to 4, x is 1, 1 plus y is equal to 4 and y is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. Means the value of y is 3, means 1, 3 is the first coordinate for this equation. Now here replace x by minus 1. Minus 1 goes on that side, that is plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. We can write orally here. Then replace x by 2, means 2 plus y. Y is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. Then replace x by 0. 0 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 0. No effect. 4 as it is, and that is minus 1, 5 and 2, 2. And then 0, 4. These are the 4 coordinates of this equation. Now here second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 2. Here is x, y and x, y. Here our given equation is 2x minus y is equal to 2. For our convenience, minus y is equal to 2 minus 2x for easy calculation. Multiply both sides by minus 1, means y is equal to minus 2 plus 2x. That means for our convenience, y is equal to 2x minus 2. Y is equal to 2x minus 2. Means if we take the value of x, suppose that will be 1. 2 into 1. Y is equal to 2 into 1 minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, means y coordinate 0 and first coordinate is 1, 0. Now if we take here minus 2, here 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 and minus 2 is minus 6. Suppose we have to take x is plus 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. And next value is suppose 3. X is 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. These are the coordinates. Minus 2 minus 6. Then 2, 2 and 3, 4. If we plot these points on graph paper, we plot these points on graph paper, there is two straight line. I will try here draw the graph. You try to plot these points in your graph notebook. I will try here. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and right here scale. Scale on both axes is 1 cm is equal to 1 unit. Here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Now we have to plot these points. 1, 3. This is in first quadrant. Both are positive numbers. 1, 1, 1, 3. There is 1, 3. Try to understand. Then minus 1, 5. Here is minus 1 and y coordinate is 5. That means here is minus 1, 5. Try to understand these points. 2, 2. Both are positive, means in first quadrant. 2, 2. Here is 2, 2. Then 0, 4. 0 is on x-axis. Means here. 4 on y-axis. That means here. Means these 4 points are in collinear. And if we join these points with the help of scale, this is the graph of first equation is x plus y is equal to 4. Similarly, you can plot these points 1, 0. 1 is on x-axis here. Then 0 is on y-axis. Means this first point is here on x-axis. Then minus 2, minus 6. Here minus 2 on x-axis and minus 6 on y-axis. Minus 2, minus 6. This is second point. 2, 2. This is same point in first quadrant. Then 3, 4. This is also in first quadrant. 3 and 4. That means these 4 points are collinear points. These 4 points are collinear if we join these points with the help of scale. Try to understand. This is graph of second equation. 2x minus y is equal to 2. Now here these two lines are intersecting each other here, and point of coordinates of intersection of these two lines is 2, 2 is the solution. Solution of these two equation, xy is equal to 2, 2 means we can solve the given simultaneous equation by graphical method. Remaining examples, try to solve at home. First, prepare the chart of coordinates. Plot this point on graph paper, and then these two lines are intersect to each other. If lines are not intersect, something is wrong here. If lines are not intersect here, something is wrong in our chart, or something is wrong in plotting the points on graph paper. Then point of intersection means coordinate of point of intersection of these two lines is the solution set of given simultaneous equation. Any doubts in this example in graphical method? Next period we will see the determinant or remaining method, that is Cramer's rule or determinant method.